Samsung unveiled its latest smartphones enhanced with AI features.
Rich DeMuro goes hands-on in today's TechSmart.
Here at an event in San Jose, Samsung unveiled their latest flagship smartphones, the Galaxy S24 lineup. This time around, they're going all in on helpful AI features.
Samsung putting AI front and center with its latest smartphones. The company brought me to San Jose for their latest Unpacked event, which focuses on Galaxy AI. 3 models in the lineup: the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and the top-of-the-line S24 Ultra, which comes in 4 colors.
This is titanium violet. This is titanium gray. This is titanium black. This one's a little different, titanium yellow.
Samsung says the new titanium frame on the Ultra is grippier and better protects from dents and scratches.
S Pen still lives on.
There's a significant change to the zoom lens. Last year's was 10x, now it's 5. But you still have the option to go all the way up to a 100 times zoom, with improved photos along the way.
If you've ever wondered what all these lenses are on the back, this is your ultra wide at 12 megapixels. This is your standard at 200 megapixels. This is the new 5 times zoom lens at 50 megapixels. Here's another tiny zoom lens, and right here, you've got some help for autofocus.
Samsung leaning heavily into AI features, especially for photo editing. You can remove objects, replace and resize things, and more. It's very similar to what we've seen on the Google Pixel.
If you get really creative with your pictures using AI, you're gonna get a little watermark on your photos.
A new feature called Instant Slow-Mo lets you modify a video you've already shot. Other AI features help you to write text messages, talk to someone on the phone in a different language, and translate what you're saying. The most useful might be this. Just circle anything on your screen to search Google for it. The S24 lineup will get 7 years of updates. The phones start at $800. The Ultra starts at $1,300. $100 more than last year and $100 more than the iPhone 15 Pro Max.
The new phones are in stores on January 31st. Keep in mind, some of these new AI features will come to other smartphones from Samsung and Google in a future software update. Samsung also teased a new wearable called the Galaxy Ring, although they did not give many details on what it will do or when we'll see that. In San Jose, I'm Rich DeMuro, and you are TechSmart.
Look at Rich's lighting.
I know, I want it.
His lighting was like
Yes.
perfect.
I like it. Blurred.
Well, he has all the latest tech features.
He doesn't need it, by the way.
Right.
He's
So
a natural.
No,
beauty.
he does.
Yeah.
You're right about that.